Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to our lecturer, Prof. Madia Dr. Cik Mah Tambici, and also Mr. Nur Azhar Baba. My name is Muhammad Alif Akmar bin SHER Muhammad, and I am from HM242, Faculty of Hotel and Tourism Management, UiTM Puncak Alam, and my metric number is 2017-946711. In this morning, I will present to you about my industrial internship presentation, which is I appointed to do at the Tatiyama Food Service Industrial Sdn Bhd at Kapar, Selangor. As we mentioned in this slide, Tatiyama was incorporated on 25 January 2018 in Malaysia under the name of Tatiyama Food Industry Sdn Bhd. Besides that, registration number of Tatiyama Food Industry is 201801003848. Tatiyama Food Industry's neighborhood business includes manufacture of other food products. Other than that, Tatiyama Food Industry also given other reservation service and related activity, which is post sale of a variety of goods without any particular specialization. Tatiyama Food Industry is one of the private limited company and has been existed for 2 years and the only one of the food company in Kapar. Tatiyama Food Industry is the one of company that serve the retail service for every customer who willing to expand their financial in food industry. Tatiyama Food Industry was located at Kapar, Selangor. As you can see in this slide, the red arrow was pointed at the Tatiyama Food Industry Sdn Bhd. Other than that, the mission, vision, and motto also have been stated in this slide. The mission of Tatiyama is will ensure our product will meet your full requirement. Besides, the vision is as a manufacturing enterprise of food, we aim to be a company that provides customers with satisfactory service and create people with confidence, pride, and passion. The lastly is the motto. Tatiyama motto is product of Tatiyama Food Industry are utilized in various purpose and place. Every company in this world will having their own organization chart. As you can see in this slide, Tatiyama Food Industry has been monitored by Mr. Rusho Yoshifusa as a manager department. Operation hour and internship duration. Training schedule that has been provided for me at Tatiyama Food Industry is from Monday until Friday. The operation for all permanent staff also same as my training schedule, while for Saturday and Sunday, it's a rest day for all staff including training students. In addition, working hours at this company started from 8 AM until 5:30 PM. Next, we proceed to the production department. The production department consists of 6 areas, which is receiving area, preparation area, cooking area, filling area, retail area, and the last is warehouse area. Area number 1, which is receiving area. Receiving is the one of the important part that contribute in every food service establishment. Receiving is the first step in creating a flow map. Receiving is the essential aspect for the food production. Its aim is to ensure that the food and supply has been certified, adhere to the quality and quality specific. There are 2 receiving process systems, which is prime procedure and also the receiving invoice. All receiving will be checked by the QC and also the QA. This is because the QA and QC need to ensure that the material will long lasting. All the record will be documentation and will be separate inside a dry store, chiller, and also the cool room. Area number 2, preparation area. Food preparation area means an area for storing and preparing food in an individual apartment. Before the process of cooking begins, all the ingredients needs to be mise en place according to the formulation that has been given by the quality department. All raw material from the dry store and cold room will be transferred to preparation area to make mise en place first. The person in charge need to measure all the weight of the dry and cool raw material. In this preparation area, there are two chiller and also two machine used, which is slicer and grinder. Area number 3, cooking area. Cooking area is the one of the important area in every food industry establishment. But in this food industry, there are some different methods of cooking that has been implemented in Tateyama food industry. In Tateyama food industry, cooking area and preparation area is separate. All the material already processed at the preparation area will be transferred to cooking area. In cooking area, there are two kettle and also a two steamer provided, which is small and big kettle, used for the liquid product only, such as paste product. The steamer used only for cooked rice. Furthermore, the big kettle can produce 3000 until 5000 posh of product, while for the small kettle, 1000 until 1500 posh of product. For the steamer, 12 tray per steamer. Advantage using kettle is it can reduce the time. Disadvantage using steamer, take more time to produce the rice. Area number 4, filling area. Filling area is one of an important area in the Tateyama food industry. Filling area is one of the food processing place to be packing the food into a posh. In Tateyama food industry, the filling process occurs when the cooked product is ready. The kettle from cooking, it will be directly to the filling machine in the filling area. After the pump process of the kettle machine to the filling machine is complete, the filling process will be run. In the filling process in Tateyama food industry, there are three ways of filling process, which is liquid process, solid process, and also the liquid and solid process. All the posh will be counted through the filling machine. Each posh will be checked by the QC. Each posh should not be outside for more than 3 hours. If it happens, all posh need to be moved to cold room storage first. Area number 5, retard area. Retard area is one of the area in Tateyama food industry. The function of retard is to extend the life of product. All products that have been sealing in the filling area will be arranged on a tray for process retard. Retard is a process that utilizes heat and pressure in a solid, sealed package to cook food. Food preservation is the most suitable type of rigid, semi-stiff and flexible packaging method. There are several functions of retard, such as reigning microorganisms by heating, prevent food manufacturing with product itself, defending food from chemical enzyme, delivering commercially sterile food, cooking food ready to eat. There are also several advantages of retard process. Decreased heating time, easily opened through ripping or cutting. Label can be written into a laminate, making them permanent. Simple to distribute. Storage room for empty flexible pouch is also decreased. Simple to flatten pouch which do not contain dangerous sub-inch. One retard tray will support as many as 2500 until 3000 pouch. Hold 4 trolley containing 23 tray per trolley. One retard cycle is for 1 hour 30 minutes. The product can use for 2 years from the date of manufacture. Printing area. In retard area, the printing area also included at this place. Printing area is a place where each product already retard will be printed manufacture date and expired date. After process retard end, the all pouch on trolley will put out from the machine for printing process. Before packing all the pouch into the box to be stored, the product must be printed first. Incubation process will be start after printing process. Incubation is defined as the process of keeping something at the right temperature and under the right condition so that it can develop. Incubation process for the product produced at Tateyama food industry take 10 until 14 days from the date of printing the pouch. Additionally, all the product is in the incubation will be stored in the retard section before packaging in the warehouse section. Area number 6, warehouse area. Warehouse area is the last area in the food production. A warehouse is a goods store building. Warehouses are used by manufacturer, import, export, wholesaler, custom, transportation company, and others. Typically, there are huge plain buildings in the outskirts of city, towns, or village in industrial park. In Tateyama Food Industry, warehouse is used to store all the products that have been packed into the box provided by the customer. In the same time, all products that are ready for packing will be segregated to be stored in warehouse before being taken by the customer. In packing process reject posh also applies. It is because during the incubation process, there are some bloated products have to be thrown out. Meanwhile, all the posh arranged in the box will be weighed and also the number of posh will be found. As you can see in this slide, this is an equipment and facility that has been provided by Tateyama Food Industry. Grinder machine, slicer machine, and also the rice steamer. Grinder machine and slicer machine has been located at the preparation area, while for the rice steamer has been located at the cooking area. Other than that, filling machine has been located at the filling area, while for the cooking kettle has been placed at the cooking area, and the retort machine has been located at the retort area. These all machines need to be monitored by the expertise employee. As a conclusion, the internship has prepared the student to be ready to serve the needs of industry and commerce for effectively open graduation. This including providing real-life experience and exposures, thus gaining the first-hand exposure to working in the real world, creating the opportunity to learn more about the intern's self-potential and abilities, getting connected and developing a professional network. I gained much experience, especially in the food production field. Before the placement took place, my ideas did not match the skill I have gained during my internship. This internship was an introduction to the actual work field for me. I have learned to work in a business organization and apply my knowledge to practice. That's all from me. Thank you.